Chatbots are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers. From answering frequently asked questions to providing personalized recommendations, chatbots are powerful tools for automation and engagement. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating your very own chatbot. Let's get started. Step 1. Plan your chatbot. Before diving into building, ask yourself, what is the purpose of your chatbot? Who is your target audience? What tasks will it handle? Having a clear plan will help you design a chatbot that meets your goals. Step 2. Choose a platform. There are many tools available to build chatbots, depending on your technical skills. For beginners, try no-code platforms like Tars or Chatfuel. For developers, use frameworks like Microsoft Bot Framework or Rasa. For AI-powered chatbots, explore OpenAI's ChatGPT API or Dialogflow. Step 3. Design the conversation flow. Map out how your chatbot will interact with users. Start with simple intents like greetings, frequently asked questions, and responses. Use tools like Lucidchart or Miro to create a visual flow of the conversation. Step 4. Build the chatbot. If you're using a no-code platform, simply drag and drop elements to create your bot. For developers, write code to define intents, entities, and responses. For example, using Python with the ChatGPT API, you can create a simple chatbot in just a few lines of code. Python import OpenAI.ap_key = your API key response =OpenAI.chatCompletion.create model =GPT-3.5 turbo messages role user content hello how can I help you print response choices 0 message content. Step 5. Test your chatbot. Before launching, test your chatbot thoroughly. Check for errors, unclear responses, and usability issues. Ask friends or colleagues to try it out and provide feedback. Step 6. Deploy and monitor. Once your chatbot is ready, deploy it on your website, app, or social media platform. Use analytics tools to monitor its performance, track user interactions, and make improvements over time. And that's it, you've just created your very own chatbot. Whether you're automating customer service or enhancing user engagement, chatbots are a game changer for businesses. So what are you waiting for? Start building your chatbot today. Title: Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tutorials.